Hi everyone, in the previous video we studied the chapter electric current and its effect till the uh, factors on which the amount of heat produced by an element it depends. So in this video we'll be discussing about the electric fuse and hopefully the magnetic effects of electric current. If not, then we'll be discussing the magnetic effect of electric current hopefully in the next video. So let's just begin with an electric fuse. So the previous video I just talked to you about the factors on which the production of the heat by an element or the coiled wire it depends, or the filament it depends. So in this video let's just begin with the topic electric fuse. An electric fuse. Focusing problem again. Okay, done. So sometimes you might have seen that the electric supply in your house, it has been suddenly put off, and you realize that all the other houses in your neighborhood, they are getting proper electric supply. सबके घरों पे लाइट होता है कभी कभी, और आपके घर में एकदम से लाइट चली जाती है. So what happened, the prompt thing the elderly people at your house they do is, एकदम से promptly क्या करते हैं वो फटाफट से, what they do is they just check for the fuse. कहीं fuse it has not blown away, कहीं fuse तो नहीं उड़ गया, they just go and check for the fuse. Okay, so what a fuse is, so let's just study about the fuse, that very particular fuse. I'll just write and explain it to you later, so let me just first write also. So a fuse, it is a safety device actually. Fuse, focusing now. Safety device that limits the current in an electric circuit okay. So fuse क्या होता है आपका, it is an electric device. So what happens is it just limits, रोक देता है करंट इन एन इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट. सो कैसे होता है, इफ़ द करंट का फ्लो करने का देयर इज़ अ स्पेसिफाइड वैल्यू. okay, if the current it flows, or the flow of current in a circuit it exceeds that specified value, then the fuse के जो wire होता है it just melts and the circuit it breaks off. okay, so let me just write this thing. If the current exceeds the specified value, हर चीज़ का एक पर्टिकुलर लिमिट होता है. okay, and if the current it exceeds, it crosses the its limit of that particular specified value कि इतना ही आना चाहिए, if that it crosses that particular specified value, then what happens is the fuse wire melts and circuit breaks off. So in the previous video I just told you that if the circuit breaks off, then the electric supply it just stops. तो circuit break off हो जाता है तो क्या हो जाता है आपका electric current का electricity का supply होना it just stops. okay, so what is this wire, where is this wire is placed, what I am just talking about this fuse wire. see, so let me just tell you. so एक क्या होता है आपका, जो एक commonly आपका जो fuse होता है it consists of a proclaim holder. इसके अंदर आपके metallic terminals fitted होते हैं. it is fitted with metallic terminal. तो जो थिन फ्यूज़ वायर होता है, जैसे ये दिस वन आई एम जस्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस फ्यूज़ वायर. सो जो थिन वायर होता है इट इज़ मेड अप ऑफ अ टिन, और इट इज़ मेड अप ऑफ एलॉय, इट इज़ और alloy of tin and copper. Okay, so it is just screwed between these both terminals. ठीक है, so fuse wire, it is made up of tin or alloy of tin and copper. So it is just fitted or it is screwed between this terminal, is screwed between the two metallic terminals. So I'm just drawing a rough diagram of it. It just look like this, and it has got its this ये बाहर का thing, it is an insulator, you can just touch it, but here this Proclaim thing, it is fitted with the it is just a demonstration diagram. Okay, so it is just fitted with the metallic thing, and here this fuse wire, it is screwed between these two terminals. So it melts off whenever the electric current it exceeds a specified value, and it melts off as soon as it melts off, the electric current circuit it breaks off, because जैसे ही इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट ब्रेक होता है तो आपका इलेक्ट्रिक करंट भी फ्लो होना बंद हो जाता है. ओके, सो इट इज़ अ सेफ्टी डिवाइस. सो व्हाट हैपेंस इज, वैसे तो सारे के सारे आपके एक्सपेंसिव एंड सोफिस्टिकेटेड इलेक्ट्रिकल डिवाइसेस सब में आपका बिल्ट इन फ्यूज़ होता है. ठीक है, एंड द शेप एंड साइज ऑफ दैट बिल्ट इन फ्यूज़ हर एक का डिफरेंट होता है फ्रॉम द सिरामिक बेस्ड फ्यूज़ विच इज़ यूज्ड इन द मेन सर्किट इन द बिल्डिंग्स. हर एक के पास अपना अपना फ्यूज़ होता है. ठीक है, जितनी भी आपकी इलेक्ट्रिकल डिवाइसेस होती हैं, जो महंगी इलेक्ट्रिकल डिवाइसेस होती हैं, हर एक के पास इलेक्ट्रिक बिल्ट इन फ्यूज़ होता है. लेकिन जो आपका एक्चुअल में जो मेन पॉइंट पे आपका वहाँ पे आपका फ्यूज़ लगता है मेन सर्किट में बिल्डिंग की, तो लेकिन उस सिरामिक बेस्ड फ्यूज़ से वो डिफरेंट होते हैं फ्यूज़ेस. ठीक है, सो व्हाट हैपन्स, लेट अस जस्ट फर्स्ट study about the applications of fuse, and then we'll be studying about the MCBs. So the next topic is application of fuse. I hope it's visible. Fine, it is. So applications of fuse. So whenever the electric current it flows, it's natural, it's normal that it will produce heat. So sometimes the circuit it gets overheated due to overloading or due to overflowing of electric current. So I just told, whatever I just told is, whenever the electric current it flows, so the production of the heat in any circuit, whenever the electric current it flows, it's a normal. So sometimes it due to the overloading or overflowing of the electric current, the circuit it gets overheated, and as the circuit it gets overheated, the fuse it melts a little, so that the other parts of the circuit they could catch fire. So by melting, as the fuse wire it melts off, it stops the flow of the current, and further it stops the further heating of the burning of the circuit. So what happened is, whenever the electric current it overflows or overloads, then overheating it is produced, more heat is produced, overheating is produced. So what happens is that fuse wire it just melts off, and it just breaks off the circuit, and it stops the current from being flown away to further, and also it stops the further heating of the burning of the electric circuit. So it just prevents our houses from the whenever the overflow of electric current is there, so it just prevents our houses from the electrical fires. Okay, so what happens is, as soon as that fuse wire इसका जो आपका fuse wire होता है it gets melts off, आप उसको easily उसको replace कर सकते हो. आप उसमें can just put off that melted wire, or after melting it just vanishes off. So we can just clean it, and we can just replace that very blown wire, And also it's advice that before replacing the wire we should just check for the other reasons also, कि only यही reason है of the electricity going off, or is there any other reason also. Okay, so application of fuse is this only, that whenever the electric current overflows, or there is overheating produced in due to the electric overflow of the electric current, it just melts off, and it protects our houses from the electric fires. Okay, so application of fuse, I should write it. Okay, I'll just write in short, so just it remains in at the back of your mind. So whenever, it's focusing, whenever a circuit is overheated, okay, I think it's correct, a circuit is overheated why it is overheated due to the overflow of current, electric current, should write properly. Then what happens is the fuse melts, and as the fuse melts, the flow of current is stopped. Also, as the flow of current is stopped, further heating or burning of the circuit, it's done, prevented. Okay, so then the wire which has been melted, it can be just replaced by the other one. So I just told you that in the here I just told you that the fuse wire, it is a tin and the alloy means होता है the combination, combining one or more metal together to form an alloy. So tin and alloy of tin and copper, why is it used as the fuse wire? Why is it used? Because the material like tin or the alloy which is made up of tin and copper, it is used to make fuses wire, because these materials, they have they have low melting point, which is much lower than the normal connecting wires and devices. So they have low melting point, इतना लो होता है कि थोड़ा अगर आपका स्पेसिफाइड वैल्यू से थोड़ा सा भी ज़्यादा करंट फ्लो होता है तो ये एकदम से मेल्ट हो जाती है, और मेल्ट होकर के आपका सर्किट ब्रेक कर देती है. सर्किट ब्रेक होता है तो आपका इलेक्ट्रिक करंट फ्लो नहीं होता. इलेक्ट्रिक करंट फ्लो नहीं होता है तो इसका मतलब आपका फर्दर हीटिंग नहीं होगी, और आपका सर्किट, इट विल जस्ट गेट प्रिवेंटेड फ्रॉम द इलेक्ट्रिक फायर. ओके, so the reason I'll just mark it as a star, and for you people to remember that tin and alloy of tin and copper just let me close the caps because they stop working, if they are left opened for quite long. So tin and copper, they have low melting points, एकदम बहुत ही कम, एकदम लो मेल्टिंग पॉइंट्स होते हैं कि अगर थोड़ा सा भी अगर इलेक्ट्रिक करंट अगर अपना वैल्यू एक्सीड करता है तो ये एकदम से मेल्ट हो जाता है. तो इट जस्ट गेट मेल्ट्स ऑफ, मेल्ट हो गया, सर्किट ब्रेक हो गया, इलेक्ट्रिक करंट नहीं बहेगा तो आपका फर्दर हीटिंग नहीं होगी तो आपका सर्किट, इट विल जस्ट गेट प्रिवेंटेड फ्रॉम द इलेक्ट्रिक फायर. ओके, सो this brings us to the next topic, that is, these are the things for remembering. You must remember these things, common knowledge it is. So MCBs. Okay, it's focusing. So MCBs, they are commonly known as MCBs, but they have their names as miniature circuit breaker. So what happens is, miniature circuit breakers, they are the convenient alternative to this electric fuse. They are the convenient, again I'm repeating, they are the convenient alternative to this electric fuse. Why? They are convenient because it's kind of switch, ऐसे ऊपर नीचे ऐसे करके switch होता है आपका. So what happens is, the switch in the MCBs, what they do is, it automatically turns off whenever the current in the circuit it crosses the safe limit. जैसे आपका इलेक्ट्रिक फ्यूज़ में क्या होता था, अगर आपका इलेक्ट्रिक करंट अपनी सेफ लिमिट, दी हुई सेफ लिमिट से ज़्यादा आता था, तो आपका जो वायर होता था इलेक्ट्रिक फ्यूज़ में, जो फ्यूज़ वायर होता था आपका, वो मेल्ट हो जाता था. बट यहाँ पर क्या होता है MCBs में, अगर आपका इलेक्ट्रिक करंट अपनी सेफ लिमिट या फिर स्पेसिफाइड वैल्यू से ज़्यादा फ्लो करता है, तो जो आपका MCB होता है उसमें जो स्विच टाइप का होता है, तो इट जस्ट खुद ही ऑटोमेटिकली नीचे हो जाता है, स्विच आपका टर्न्स ऑफ हो जाता है, ऑफ टर्न हो जाता है, इट मीन्स नीचे गिर जाता है. ओके, इट टर्न्स ऑफ. ओके, सो अगर वो आपका एक सेफ लिमिट को क्रॉस करता है, तो इस केस में क्या होता है आपका, तो कंप्लीट सर्किट जो आपका ब्रेक हो जाता है और आपका इलेक्ट्रिक करंट फ्लो नहीं करता. सो इसमें बस एक ही चीज़ है कि आपका स्विच जो है वो टर्न ऑफ हो जाएगा और आपको खुद उसको टर्न ऑन करना पड़ता है. आपको इलेक्ट्रिक फ्यूज़ की तरह उसमें उसको निकाल करके उसका वायर रिप्लेस नहीं करना पड़ता. ठीक है, सो दैट इज़ वाई इट इज़ नोन एज द convenient alternative to the electric fuse. So what happens in the miniature circuit breaker? So I'm just writing, whenever, I'll just underline the parts also which makes it different from the electric fuse. So whenever the electric current exceeds its safe limit, so what MCB does is, MCB automatically turns off. Fine, it will just turn off, and हमें क्या करना होता है, obviously it will turn off the circuit, the circuit will break and the electric current will stop flowing. So just to complete the circuit again, अब हमें चाहिए भाई लाइट, तो हमें सर्किट तो कंप्लीट करना पड़ेगा. To complete the circuit again, what we need to do is, we just need to turn it on. ठीक है, बट उसमें क्या करना पड़ता था, वी हैव टू जस्ट रिप्लेस द वायर. I will write that thing over here also, so that unlike that in the fuse where we have to replace the wire. Fine. So what we have to do in MCB, we just need to do nothing, we have to just को लगा देना है, and whenever the electric current it will exceed its safe limit, its specified value, the MCB it will automatically turn off, and circuit को दोबारा complete करने के लिए we only need to just turn it on. ठीक है, इलेक्ट्रिक फ्यूज़ की तरह आपको तार नहीं रिप्लेस करना पड़ेगा. ओके, सो दैट इज़ इट फॉर दिस वीडियो, एंड in the next video we'll be discussing about the magnetic effect of electric current. We have discussed so far 3 effects of electric current: mechanical, chemical and heating. जिसमें से we first two we had just cleared them through the examples, and this heating effect has been done deeply, actually in detail, and now only the magnetic effect of electric current is left. We'll be covering this in the next video, hopefully soon. So till then, just take care of yourself.